pine shaving. So put this inside the chicken coop.
Hi, today I'm here with my dad and I'm here to help clean the chicken coop with him.
This needs to be cleaned up. We will get all the manure out from the chicken coop to our garden and store there until next spring. And you can use that for our gardening.
Daddy, you're sweating right now.
Am I? How much?
A lot.
Seriously?
Working hard?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost done, almost done. Last batch. Amber is spreading all the chicken manure around the garden to be ready for next year. What have you done so far?
I've been cutting the vegetables.
Okay.
Okra, plant, and a lot of peppers. And now I'm spreading out